No mail. I went to check my letterbox. Nothing in there. Unless he might come a little bit. Postie might come a little bit later. I don't know. So anyway, me Trev. Welcome. Today is Thursday, 17th of October. I've got to try and think what month it is. Welcome to my new vlog. And today it's a very cold day. It's very cloudy and very windy too as well, so that's expected this week. So yesterday we had a bit of rain, not a great lot, but just a little drizzles every now and then. And the same thing today, we're just getting showers, passing showers every now and then. And so it is a cold day, very cold. So I got the jacket on. But anyway, it's going to get better though. Tomorrow I think it's all going to be fine tomorrow, so we'll be back to the sunshine, spring sunshine. So I think I predict next week, or even the weekend, and next week, I think days are going to get warmer, going to get hotter. Yeah, so I feel sorry for you. There's a lot of farmers out there really absolutely struggling to make ends meet with this very devastating drought that they're having, and the government is really not, they're not chipping in to help the farmers, because the farmers out there, you guys, your farmers out there are the ones that put the food on our table. Yeah, so we need to look after those farmers, absolutely. And I think the way things are going, you know, if the government's not going to do anything, if there's no money, these farmers are going to walk off their land, and what's going to happen in so many years' time, the farming districts, especially in New South Wales, Queensland, they all become a new desert. A desert, yes. I know we've got the deserts up in Northern Territory and South Australia and Western Australia, but I think, to me, if we don't do anything about it, those places are going to be another desert. They're going to be another desert. And I think it's becoming a desert now. Anyway, I pray and hope for you farmers out there. You'll get rain, and hopefully the politicians will listen and dig in. Forget about overseas, forget about China, forget about Japan, forget about all the other countries. Let's look after our own backyard. Yes, as they say, you want to live at your own place, look after it. Look after your own backyard, look after your house. And we live in Australia, we're in it together, we must look after our own backyard. Yeah, so let's do it. Yeah. Now, what's today? Thursday, of course. Tomorrow will be Friday, and I don't know what I'm doing today. I've just been community driving today. Had a busy morning and done that, and I've been doing it all week actually, so I've had a really busy week. So, I mean, they need people like me to be transporting clients, mainly people to their medical appointments, especially older people and disability people who can't afford a taxi, they can't afford to drive a car, they can't get to A and B. So I'm there for them, to help them do their shopping, get to their medical appointments. I make sure they get there properly and safe as well. So I'm not like some people who will take them to a place. Okay, we'll take you to that place, you go do your own thing, you know, you go by yourself without helping. You must help people, you must help. That is the biggest thing you could ever do, and you'll be praised, and you've done your deed for the day, helping someone. So I'm very valued to these people, the company that I'm working for. So it could be an asset for me. It could be, in the future, may lead me to paid work in the future. I don't know. That's one of my goals, actually, to get paid work as a driver, community driver. But most of it's all voluntary, really. So I know I'm doing a great job. Yeah, So, Right. Remember that big tree you saw in my last vlog? That big tree they cut down. That's where it was. Just behind that fence. Yeah. That was a massive tree. Me, Trev. Welcome. Today is Tuesday, 15th of October. I just thought I'd do a vlog today. And such a beautiful spring day, sun shining. And I'm just going for my morning walk. What can you do on a day like this? And yeah, that was a massive tree, really was. I should have been here and filming it, really. But I didn't want to intrude as a photographer. They might get a bit suspicious, you know. Oh, what are you filming me? But I filmed it from my backyard, actually. So the tree would have been about as big as that. Probably a whole lot bigger. It was a whopper. So anyway, so today I'm on my walk. Go for a bike ride after. Maybe. Check the bike, because I haven't been bike riding for a while. And so, because I haven't been the bike works still. It's been in my shed. It has never been touched for months. So, yeah. So, I've done my community driving today, this morning. So, I'm going to take the day group back later. Should be good. Let's go for a walk. And we're halfway in the month of October already. This year is flying. Over the yonder, where that front of that fence is a square, there's a vacant area. There used to be an old tennis court. Yeah. It was full on then, the tennis court. Very busy with people playing tennis. And then I remember going back probably the late 60s. The log cabin there at the tennis court that got burnt down. I remember that very visually. I remember that. Someone lit it. Anyway, let's push on. I'm on my bike. Have a bit of a bike ride into town. So I got to go into town to do some errands, and then I'm going to get a cup of tea, get a drink. Advertisements. There's Kelly Chase. Justin. Is the butcher shop. My mum used to get a lot of meat from there. So we're coming up to the traffic lights. Right street. This is the main drag. Saw another bike rider. Got a motel there. That's Tandoori Paradise. Indian food. I've arrived. Well, I hope you enjoyed that bike ride. Now I've arrived at the comfort station here. It's warming up. So anyway, I've got to go and do some errands and sit down and have a drink. Now, I've just arrived back home on the bike, and it was a good ride. It really was. I've had a great time in the town. I should do more bike riding, which I will be. I'm not too sure within the next couple of days, because we might as well enjoy it today, because the next 2 days we're going to be in for some rain and cold weather. The temperatures are going to plummet, according to the weather forecast. So we could end up having frosty mornings. Not a deep frost, but probably a bit of a dew, I suppose. We had a bit of a dew this morning early, because I noticed it on my car this morning. There was a fair bit of dew on my car, so it was a bit coolish. But today is just absolutely perfect today. So they're saying the forecast that tomorrow, which will be Wednesday and Thursday, the weather will change. We're going to get rain, we're going to get a lot of wind, and cold. But Friday will pick up. It will pick up again, a better weather. So it looks like, I reckon, this weekend we're going to be in for a nice weekend, sunny weekend. And next week, I predict that next week, predict next week, I think it's going to get warmer. We could be seeing more hotter days. I'm not too sure, but the weather's unpredictable, really. I'm assuming so. We could end up in shorts next week, and we'll probably end up swimming. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that bike vlog, and it's such a beautiful day. I did my errands, and then went to have a cup of coffee, coffee latte. That's really nice. I really want a chai latte, really, but she gave me coffee latte. I'd rather the chai, better. But anyway, it was good. I hope you enjoyed on this day off, Tuesday. You can choose anything you like on a Tuesday. Now, yeah, I'm here. Now, I'm in the Aldi car park. Now, just about to go and do some shopping. Yeah, shopping. Okay, now I've just knocked off work and take the community back. That's good. So I've done my deed for the day. So I'm back to work again tomorrow. So next week is full on. Yeah, next week. Yeah, so they've given me the roster for next week. So I'm pretty well done. So that's good. So anyway, now, so I'm free. So I'm just about to go and do some shopping in Aldi, and I might go to Coles, do some shopping there as well. So, and then it's a very cloudy day. Look how cloudy. It is cold and windy. I reckon expecting hail and rain, but I don't know whether we'll get it or not. Pretty typical, but who knows. So anyway, I'll catch you shortly. Oh, it's absolutely pouring rain, and I'm just about to go into Coles to do some shopping, and I just came out of Aldi just as well. I'm just in time. By the time I got in the car, it started pouring rain. So anyway, I'm going to Coles just to get a few things, and then I'm going home. Oh, look at the rain. Oh, rain. This is sort of the rain that we have to get. We had to have. These poor farmers need all this up there in New South Wales and Queensland. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's all sun shining. All the rain is gone. Now I just come out of Coles, and all the rain is gone. Sun shining. Yes, super and sunshine. How's that? So now I'm heading home. and to put the groceries away. Yeah. So, yeah, we had a big burst of rain. Now, I've been shopping today. I've had a pretty busy day, actually. Now, I've been busy last Tuesday recording. I've recorded my vocal tracks to Emily's Bed, the song, and also The Devil's Chocolate. The Devil's Chocolate. Both of those songs are recorded. Yes, I've done all the vocal work and the harmonies as well. They've been done. So the next thing I've got to record now is do some guitar work on them, and a bit of keyboard, just to, you know, do some little infills in there. So they're shaping up pretty well. Emily's Bed is becoming a really good song. It's really shaping up nicely, and I hope you enjoyed that. Actually, I posted it on Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to hear the full version of Emily's Bed, go to my Facebook page. You know, got that. And there was another song I posted on Facebook. You may have noticed that was a song called "You Show Me Yours, I'll Show You Mine." You remember that? That's actually a Willie Nelson song. Actually, well, he didn't write it. Chris Christopherson actually wrote it. He's a funny writer, Chris Christopherson. He's a great writer too, very good at country songs. And actually the song was actually in the movie called The Honeysuckle Rose. Remember that one? With Willie Nelson in it. And also became a soundtrack album as well. So the song is on there actually. You show me yours, I'll show you mine. And it's some great songs like On the Road Again on there, and Whiskey River, I think it is. Whiskey River, great song. I love Willie Nelson, I really do. He's a great guy, great singer, and I really like to have a beer with him one day. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to be uploading now. I'll be doing a vlog tomorrow, and don't forget Trev's food treat. I'll be doing a food treat tomorrow, which will be Friday. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Create harmony, be peace. You never know what I get up to next. Bye. Now, the next song.